Alright, I've got some work to do around the yard. Things are a mess. Things left out. That's all mulch under there. Michelle and I probably put that around the yard today, but I'm going back here today. What are the sleds doing out? Oh my God. My kids used to swing on these, not no more. They're all grown up. So, talk to you about this. There's some onions I got going on in that bed. Here's the potatoes I planted. I ended up planting 3 rows of potatoes so far. Alright, more hay. Just had a lot of rain, so things are pretty soaked. Could be a little bit muddy today, but we'll see. Alright, so today the job is to plant some more potatoes and start some kale over there in that bed in the back that I dug up. Alright, so gotta put the rest of the potatoes in. So, I got this one I'm gonna hoe, just kind of loosen up. Potatoes like fine sand, fine soil. This one's pretty hoed, but I'll probably hit it again just a little bit. And then I got to get 3 more rows of potatoes, which I should be able to do fairly easily and still have some stuff left over on the side here for other crops. So I've already done a little bit of this right here, just getting up to big chunks. It's a little wet, which is a bummer. So it's going to be super clumpy, but I still think it's worth it. I leave a little bit of leaves in just as kind of nutrients. It's good for it. Not too many because you don't want it clogging up your roots. So you just kind of, I've already turned it, so it's already somewhat loose. So this is the fine tuning part. I put these down because these will be places to walk through in between the rows. Right? So you just keep look for those. You're gonna hear rocks. Try to get the rocks out. There's a clump right there. Get that. Spread it out a little bit. Get rid of big things. Jump over here so you can get on this side. Big clumps. Yeah, it's good down there. So I'm going to finish this up. Finish this up right here. Loosen up that one. And then I'm going to get my potatoes that I left in the house by accident. Thought I had everything, I guess I didn't. Put those in. And then I'm going to show you about planting kale. I don't know if I'll do it today. I don't know how my back's going to feel. Never have to dig those trenches. But maybe today. It'd be good if I could. I could really use the exercise. Okay? Yeah. Alright, one more thing. Just so you can see it. 2 things I gotta put into the soil before I plant anything. This one right here is just what's called topsoil. And it's just more dirt, but it's dirt that has a few more nutrients in it. Maybe a little bit of compost in there, maybe not much, but so I have 2 bags. Problem is it's soaking wet. Oh, that sucks. Anyway, so there's one. Here's the other one. Put it down here, just as wet. That's not too bad. So there's that, right? And then this is compost, so this is more nutrients. You don't need as much. Wish I had a little bit more, but put that in there as well. So then you just spread it around, right? Spread it around. Spread it around. Spread it around. And then, I'll just kind of mix it in one more time. All right, so I'll do that to all this. And then be ready to plant.